Bangladesh Bank and the Anti-Corruption Commission. Corrupt oligarchs and loan defaulters have been allowed positions of influence. The concentration of power coupled with weak enforcement of accountability risks repeating cycles of mismanagement and exploitation of national resources. NCP remains committed to responsible and principled opposition both inside and outside of Parliament. We call for the immediate formation of the Constitutional Reform Council as clearly outlined in the July Charter Implementation Order. Our mission is to advance a new political settlement rooted in democracy, accountability, economic justice, national dignity, religious values, and cultural diversity. In particular, we are focused on youth empowerment and employment, ensuring the next generation can actively contribute to building a just and equitable society. Thank you all for attending today's Iftar gathering. Please keep us in your prayers for the establishment of a democratic, inclusive, and prosperous Bangladesh and for the success of NCP.